They got caramelized onion. It looks different still. The Dr. Pepperoni. All right, today we're outside Matty Madison's Maker's Pizza. I've been hearing about this spot because I've been telling them to come check it out. So I'm out here to check it out. We're out here on Bloor Street West. All right, let's go inside and see what it's talking about. Nobody's in here. Is this your menu right here? Yeah. 375 slice every Thursday. Okay, take a look at the menu. I'm assuming these are the prices at the top, like 31. What do people come here for?
I would say you can get Frank's Best.
Frank's Best? Okay, can I get one of those? Let me get a small of those. And then let me get the, can I get the Tavern 31?
Yeah, for style.
What styles do you have?
Like Tavern is the style, it's a thin crust. So it's any of these pizzas done as
This is the one I want right here.
Oh,
yeah, perfect. And you have sauces?
Yeah, we've got the dips on the back.
Oh, I didn't even notice the back. Okay. Let me get that, yeah. Let me get the creamy garlic and the spicy creamy garlic.
Sure.
And that's everything. Yeah. 67. Pizza came to $62.70, which is not bad considering this is like an upscale pizza spot. As you can see, the small was like 24. The large pepperoni I got 31. Not bad, not bad. Anyhow, let's go inside and collect our pizza. That's everything? All right, thanks, man. Have a good one. Yeah. So we got the Maker's Pizza. Walk in. Let me open up and take out the dipping sauce real quick. All right, so we got their special garlic sauce and their homemade spicy garlic sauce. That looks kind of crazy. It looks like some garlic on the bottom and some spicy chili crisp on the top. I gotta show you guys the inside of this because it looks different still. See that? All that? Ooh, it's dripping on me, it's dripping on me, it's dripping on me. So the guy told me to try their famous Frank's pizza. This is the most lit pizza, they said. What they got on it is like goat cheese. They got caramelized onions, sesame crust, some other stuff. I can't recall it, but I'm gonna put it up on the screen for you guys. Come, take a quick look. You see that? That nice pizza, yo. The crust. Let me see the crust. The crust is looking all right. Crust is looking all right. Nice and warm. All right, let's try it out. But try it plain Jane before anything else. Shit, this is a big. There's only 4 cuts on this, yo. Only 4 cuts, yeah. One last thing, they have honey on this too. All right, let's try this out. It's not bad. Right off the rip, it doesn't have too much of a crunch, but the taste is all there. This is my first time having goat cheese, and I must say it's pretty solid. I actually like it. I wouldn't know how I would react, but I can't complain. It's a solid cheese. Let me try it with a special garlic sauce. Okay. The garlic sauce is solid. With the garlic sauce, I'm gonna give it like a 8.5 out of 10. By itself, I'm gonna give it like a same thing, 8.5 out of 10. So I'm gonna try it with their spicy chili garlic crisp sauce. Look at that. I gotta mix it up. Damn. Oh, that shit is hot. Woo! You take a bite, you taste the garlic sauce in the beginning, and then 2 seconds later, you're sneezing because of the chili peppers. Pretty fire though, I can't complain. With the chili sauce, I'm gonna give it like a same thing, 8.5 out of 10. It's hot though, still, I'm not gonna lie. If you get the chili sauce, take your time with it. All right, move on to the next one still. So, wow, this one is crazy. This is the Dr. Pepperoni pizza, extra large. The other pizza I had was small.
Slices.
Square slices too. Okay. Right off the rip, I'm not gonna lie, pepperoni is looking fire. Look at the bottom. Oh, nice and crispy. Let's see if this one has a crunch. All right, so we're gonna try this slice plain Jane. Okay. They got something going on here. So, not bad. Not bad. Again, the crust, it's not super crispy, but it could go on. It could go on. Will I give this by itself? I'm gonna give this like an 8 out of 10 by itself. Now let me try it with the garlic sauce. Take a huge dip. Bam. You guys see that? Bam. Yeah, this is hitting still. Yep. With the garlic sauce, 8.5 out of 10. Now, I gotta try it with the spicy garlic sauce. Spicy chili garlic sauce. Look at that. I don't know why this is so crazy. Take a nice dip. Wait. Not bad. Not bad. Take another dip. Okay. This sauce, again, same thing, 8.5 out of 10. The pizza is pretty solid. Pepperonis, as you see they're folding up. That means they're cooked to perfection. Crust, a nice little burn to them. It's not too crispy, but it does the job. The sauce that they use for this pizza, A1, 100%. Overall, what I'd give the restaurant itself, I'm gonna give it like a 8.5 out of 10. I might as well, cause I gave all their food an 8.5 out of 10, so it's only fair. All right, guys, thanks for tapping into the video. I need you guys to leave a comment in the comment section, like the video, subscribe to the channel. You already know Machiavelli's out.